Kids, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number 21 of Writer's Prompt. Well guys, we just made it to double digits in the twos, so I'm so excited about this. So before we get into this writing prompt, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below, and also hit that little bell to know if I post a video. And yeah, let's get into this vid. Okay cuties, since today is day number 21 of Writer's Prompt, or 365 days of self-discovery, today's Writer's Prompt is miscommunications. What it means to you? Well, what miscommunication is definitely one thing I've been working on for myself, because I do have a tendency of not communicating, or communicate my feelings or how I feel, or actually miscommunicate myself properly towards others. So this is a great thing that I've been learning on, but been working and still trying to not master, but also grow from it. So what it means to me is definitely is like how you say, for instance, you miscommunicate about your feelings. Like for instance, like how I say, for instance, I think I'm saying what I'm saying in my head, but when it comes out of my mouth, I'm not saying it like kind of like for the other person to truly understand. Like I repeat the same thing that I'm thinking over and over to the person, but then like I don't understand. You gotta give me more than what you're saying to understand how you feel about the situation. Like for instance, I communicated, but not that much of how I felt about the situation with my person that kind of helped create me, about how the feelings about how I want him to be a dad and be a father figure to me and be there for me, but it's love and support for me. But for me, I kind of like not communicate that well towards him, and that's how we both got our communication skills. Like kind of like he was saying one thing, he was trying to be there, and I was saying one thing like he wasn't there, and then we kept going on back and forth about like how I wanted him to be, and he was not really hearing that, for instance. So yeah, we was both miscommunicating a whole lot, so all we was gonna get results is nothing. And yeah, and also I'm miscommunicating my feelings about like, or actually I don't even miscommunicate my feelings, I just don't really communicate that much. That's my problem. Like I don't really communicate. To even say I communicate properly or improper is when like I don't even communicate out. Like I either hold my emotions in or don't communicate how I feel, or I just act like nothing's bother me or hurting or feeling anything, and I just like everything's fine, just walk around. And everybody knows when someone says they're fine, they're not really fine. There's something that's going on. They're not going to say anything, but they're going to keep trying to like push and pry for you to like communicate. But they don't need to be pushing and prying if you just communicate how you feel. Like how you say, for instance, you say something and like how, for instance, the other person don't perceive it as oh, I got it. Because me and my brother talk totally different from how the rest of the family in the house, because we say something, for instance, like we say, okay, we had this conversation the other day with my mom, because we was having like, you know, you have those moments we have to talk your feelings and also communicate everything about like what you're feeling and stuff. And my brother was having a problem with that, and he was trying to communicate with mom, but he's like, he was, you know how you don't really communicate much and you like don't try to communicate, it just don't come out right. But for instance, he's like how we for instance we say like for instance we say, what do we say? Oh, we don't like, we say that, not that I'm saying anything wrong about, like how we say like, I'm not mad at you about the thing, I'm upset about that. Or we say we're not mad at you, it's like we're saying we're not. Well, no, that's, wait, said it wrong. See, miscommunicate. We say that when I see something that I'm not mad, meaning for us, we're saying we're not mad at you and say you're mad at you, for instance, like kind of like for us, we're saying like, we're trying to say that before, like we feel like you think we're mad at you about something that we did. Like for instance, say we spilled some milk on the counter and she's like, dude, you spilled milk on the counter, and we're like, I didn't mean, like, or no. For instance, what if she spilled milk on the counter? Okay, if she spilled milk on the counter, we'd be like, we're not mad, and that's come out perceives to her or anyone else in the house, for instance, that other than us two, is that it sounds like you're saying that you're mad at us for something, but we're saying that before, like anything of our emotions get involved or anything of feelings, and to kind of like de-escalate for anything, but actually escalate things, is that we're saying like, we're not mad, which in case for us saying like, we're not mad at you because to say that, to clarify, we're not upset or having any anger or feelings towards it. We just like, we understand, we just, because we know sometimes we just, when we don't say anything, and that's like for us, that's like how we different way of speaking, like how we communicate our emotions. There's like, we're not mad, we just like, we don't want you to be upset or thinking that we're upset about something that you have done or you had did or whatever, that we're upset with you, but we're not. We're okay with it, like we're not upset. We just want you to know that beforehand, before anything just escalates, we just want to nip that in the butt and say we're not mad. But that kind of like triggers and make anyone from like the other point of view like, you're mad? I thought you said something. I thought you was like not mad because you said that, and it comes off saying that we're like actually mad, but we're not. We're just not really like, we're just like, okay, chill about it. We're not really too worried or too like pressed on being upset about it, but we're not. We're just like, we understand, we grasp it, we're not holding any emotions or ill will towards it, the situation, we just understand. But you can see how that kind of okay, you're upset, so that's what kind of miscommunicates, or how that's an example of what miscommunication is, or how it could be or led to be. And that's what it means to me. It means like, you just basically, you say something and you mean it totally different from the other person, and the other person takes it like the way that you're trying to perceive it not to be, but it gets miscommunicated, like to having arguments or having people upset now, so like that. Come on, make that I could make that trash can, but I do look cute today, like I'm proud for something to make it right. Yeah, like my look, I like that, because there's like, comment down below, did I just pop the nail? I just popped the nail. See, that's one thing I also got to work on, is that I'm too rowdy. Well, it's not that I'm too rowdy, I'm just too fodder and just don't know how to chill, and then I start doing stuff, and then I end up like either breaking stuff or end up getting hurt and stuff like so. I'm kind of calm down and stop being so rowdy, because like, I'm on cloud 10, like ready to go rumble and stuff like that. But I'm trying to learn to be delicate and girly. This is my long process, but I'm getting there. I'm getting better. Actually, myself, like, cause usually all of them popped up by now, but now it's only down to one popped up. So, proud of myself. Growth. I recognize it. But anyway, that was what communication means to me, and why I think this book. Comment down below, guys, if what you guys think of communications or miscommunications mean to you, or have you guys ever had that mostly supposed to be sorry. I'm sorry. I've been out sick for a while. I know I should have probably pre-recorded videos, but I know sometimes you guys don't like the pre-record videos, and no, sometimes you guys just like my natural rawness when I just come in the camera and just say how I feel and just let you go. I just ride and get feel, but.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better
Low, or I might have it pop up right here, whichever I prefer. And also, what else? Yeah, don't forget to go follow all my social media pages, leave down in the description box below. Go follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter for more of my beautiful, like I'll be posting my outfits for my recreates over there. I might also be providing some inspirational things. I don't know what you guys might see that, so you're gonna have to check out for yourselves. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.